much for my pie shell.
It says to rest it 5 to 10 minutes. As you saw, this shell was not deep enough. So take that into account. I do have a casserette. That should be interesting without the crust. It's very... maybe I could have filled it more. It did puff up. This is a Pillsbury. Pillsbury? Oh, it's very... I should have filled it more, I'm sorry. Let's get a nice sized piece, though. Hey, if it tastes good, that's all that matters, right? Oh, maybe. Hey! Hey! Swiss cheese pie from 1956. Let's see how it tastes. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, it's really creamy. Wow. Got the bacon. You know, it's very, very, very thin. I think you need a deep shell, deep pie shell. Wow. I'm supposed to be watching my carbs. But I had to make it with the shell. And you could buy the frozen shell. I thawed the shell, by the way. I took it out this morning. It was in the fridge for a couple hours. Let's try another bite. Quiche from 1956. It's really good. Very bacony. I'm going to want to try the casserette without the crust. But this did not disappoint. Just that the pie shell was very shallow. Oh, it's very tasty. Funny enough, I'm not sure I'm picking up the Swiss cheese. It's very creamy though. If I make this in the future, I'll probably be making it in casserettes or grab-it bowls without the crust. It's very attractive. Is it hot? Okay, casserette time. This kept its heat. It really cooled off in the pie pan. Oh, I like it. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna make this without the crust. One more bite here. Wow. Oh. Swiss cheese pie from 1956. This is delicious. That's very good. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.